Hey everybody, thank you and welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like the content that my channel is bringing you. Today we're going to do a house that I have not seen. It's a little lower in rent than most of the houses that I have done. It's in Okinawa City. So let me stop talking and start rolling, and here we go. I am here in, I'm going to actually put it on the screen because I don't exactly know where I'm at, and these guys don't speak that much English, so I'm going to show you a house right over here, and it is a very cool house. It is Kenzie style. It is Koja or Koha in Okinawa City. There's a little buddy right there with a Tampa Bay Lightning shirt. Turn around, let's see who you got on. Turn around. Kucherov. Yeah, buddy. All right, and so we're going to go and we're going to see this house, but first I want to take you on a small tour of the yard, and let me just show you here. Basically, here's a nice little gate. You have a nice little side yard here, which is actually really cool. Because a lot of these houses are hard up for real estate as far as like land. So you've got a nice little sink out here in the patio area, okay? And it's all paved, it's all concrete. Little step there for your shoes. And then, mind the camera gear, you have a door that leads actually out to the patio level here. And there's the doorbell. But you have a cute little area here where you can put up like a table, maybe put up a pole with some of those string lights and make it like a little really cool party area. You've got 3 palm trees, baby palm trees. Make sure you water them. And then you've got another little deck right here where you can put up some chairs, and there's all my junk. But it's really cool. So let's go on inside this house and see what it looks like. Now I haven't seen it, I haven't seen any pictures or anything, so let's go. So we're going in the front, we're going in the front door. Okay, cool, I wasn't sure. I thought that was the back door, but this is the front door. So we go in here. All right, make sure you pick your shoes off there, bud. Okay. And here we have like a really nice, well, I guess there's some wires that need to be taken care of, but still pretty cool. All right, so here we have, wow, this is really nice. So this is the living room area. Now the living room is cool because you've got some built-ins here on the window where you can actually see, like, they have like these cabinets here that are very nice. Okay, and you've got some built-ins there, and then you've got obviously the door that goes out there. You've got your hose and your sink like we just saw earlier. Very cool, your light switches and the air conditioning unit. See, that's where we were a minute ago outside, and this is a sliding glass door with a screen, and also, that's weird, the top slides. Oh, and this is cool too, it's got 2 blinds, so you can have a blackout blind and just a regular clear blind. Yeah, now you can see it, okay. So you can have a blackout curtain blind and a regular blind. And then here you have a window here for some ventilation, and you can just wave at the neighbors, you know, hey, give me a cup of sugar, whatever. And here, what I would consider is, I guess, is the dining room. So it's not a big place, but here's the dining room. Here we have this is probably all the AC controls and light controls and everything here, your control panel. Here you have, in Japan you'll know, it's got a whole ton of remotes. This is very interesting, and I'll show you that a little later, but it is really cool. All right, so here in the kitchen, we've got like a little bar area. We've got a very cool Japanese fridge, and these are very cool because they're narrow, but they're super tall. And I believe, oh, look at that, it just opens up. So I wanna do that again so you can see it. You just touch it, and it opens up. Isn't that crazy? Wow, that is nice. Hi. Hey, Yumi's here. Hi, everyone, Yumi's here. I didn't tell everybody about the secret surprise, but I am sure that you and little buddy will show everybody the surprise. It is the surprise is worth it, so stay tuned till the end of the video because you're gonna love this. All right, so let's get back to the tour now that Yumi's here and everything is right in the world. Here's a big sink, pretty deep, gas stove. And Yumi, what is this underneath the stove? Is it a fish fryer or something?
It's It's a fish grill.
A fish grill? So what do you do with this fish grill? You just open it up and you put a fish there?
I mean, you can put anything there. You can,
Like a hamburger?
Well, you can do toast too.
Oh, really? Okay, so I didn't know this. All right, interesting.
Yeah. You can grill vegetables. You can pretty much grill anything in there.
Okay. And then there is no washing machine, right?
Washing machine?
Like a dishwasher?
A dishwasher, no.
No, okay, so, but there is, and these are all just drawers for storage. Okay, so you can see there's drawers all the way around here. Yeah, and that's pretty deep actually. And then here we have a nice, like, cabinet with built-in, and obviously, I love the frosted glass. I always like that look.
It's like extra.
Oh, an extra counter space. Pull that thing out, let me see that. Wow, that's nice. Yeah, cool. All right, this is the kitchen. All right, so here we have a bathroom, I think. I'm not sure. It is, wow, it's brand new. This is a tub, and obviously you're gonna have your shower. Wow, that's got the rain shower thing on there, which is really nice. Looks like brand new tiles, so it really looks like they redid this place because normally the tiles aren't that shiny and new. So you got the brand new tiles, you've got the handheld, I don't know what they call these things, the shower things, okay? I'll call it that. Soap holder, the floor is tiled, so you can actually, and it's a little tight where I am, but not in here. Actually in here there's a lot of room. Let me just jump in, so you see. All right, so right here you can basically either take a shower and do it that way. Here, where I'm standing, because everything is sealed. So you don't have to worry about any water going anywhere. And then on the floor, there's the drain. And then you have a really big, deep Japanese tub here. Okay, and here you have your little towel rack. So this is the shower. Next to the shower here, and this is like a little, I guess, changing area. Let me turn the camera around without making you guys too dizzy. There we go. So you can see that that is where the shower was, and it all slides nice and shut with this. And I'm not sure whether this door, and it's in the laundry room, whether it's a closet or not, so let's take a look. Oh, it's a toilet. Okay, so there is a bathroom on the first floor, a full bath. So here we have the Japanese toilet. Not sure if you stand in front of it or the seat goes up. It does not, but it does have, get on there, all the cool buttons that you should never ever press. And then you've got the, oh, it's got like a, is it remote for the bidet? Or, oh, this is the remote flush. Oh yeah. So that's for number 2 and that's for number 1. So number 2, number 1. So less water for number 1, more water for number 2. And did you guys not know that? I just found that out the first week I got here what those things were. All right, so you can see this sink and it's very small. Here's my hand, here's the sink. If I open my hand, I can't get into the sink, but you should be able to wash it very well. And this spigot is right there, it comes down, and you have your toilet paper holder. So all in all, a really nice bathroom. Now, here we have the laundry room. So you'll see the Japanese dryer, okay? And then you have a Japanese washing machine as well. And then you have like a utility sink right here with your controls for the light switches and a towel rack. And you've got some storage under here, okay? And it's a really, it looks like they really just did this brand new. Yeah, look at that. And you got, oh wow, that's cool. They have an outlet in there for your electric shaver or whatever. Very cool. And this is the laundry room. Let's go down here because I'm not sure what this is. So here we have a room, and I guess it's just a storage under the stairs, which is exactly what it is. Wow, talk about hide and seek. So you have storage under the stairs here. It's where you keep your garbage can. And the door shuts. Don't know what this door is. This is probably the side door to the outside? Yes. Side door to the outside. Okay, cool. This is actually, I wanted to point this out because this is like marble or tile or something. I think it's tile. Oh, actually it's tile. Plastic tile, but whatevs. And then you have your little brick thing. Okay. Now, let's go upstairs and see what there is up here. I'm not sure how many bedrooms there are here. Yumi and little buddy have disappeared. So we're gonna go up the stairs here. And here we go. Oh, there he is. A little narrow stairwell. Is it nice up here? Awesome. Whoa, what? Look at this. Look, what is up there? It's like a loft.
That's like a bed. So
there's a loft and then up there is also storage.
So this is a master bedroom or a second bedroom?
This is the second bedroom.
Second bedroom, all right.
The master bedroom is going to blow your mind.
It's gonna blow my mind? All right, we'll see about that. This is pretty mind-blowing. All right, so here we have bedroom number 2. Okay, not the master, and you've got your closet, which is actually really pretty spacious, pretty deep. Okay, and then you have your windows looking out on the neighborhood, and actually down the road is the Iwase Mall and Family Mart, and it's a really tight space, but okay, so this is a pretty good sized room. You can even get an office or a bed or something, and then look up there, and I wanna go up there because I'm kind of curious as to what's up there. I know that this is a loft for a bed, so let's go up and see. Let's see, I hope I don't bust my ass going up here, but I guess, okay, perfect. So, yeah, look at that. So this is the loft, and I'm gonna go up here and see what there is. So it's just basically, I guess you could probably do storage because it's about maybe like a little more than a foot tall. So you can put like boxes and storage and stuff in there. I'm gonna assume that this place is a 2-bedroom, and I'll put everything in the video description. It's a very cool loft. Look at the room down there. Whee! All right, so now we're gonna go in here, and I'm gonna assume that this is the master bedroom. Oh, wow. Okay, so master bedroom. Okay, so in the master bedroom, there's plenty, oh, there's another loft. So there's another loft here, okay? And there's storage up there as well. So let's go up here and take a look-see up the stairs. So you could probably put a bed up here if you're just a single guy. My single bed days are way over. Or you could put a huge bed here. This is a very, very big bedroom. Very, very big. So you have a closet here as well, which is pretty deep. And it does have a light. There it is. Okay, perfect. So it goes pretty deep over there and in there. Smaller unit than I'm used to doing, but I've gotten a lot of requests to do a smaller unit that can fit people's budget. And I think this is probably a good example of that. And over here is, wow, so it's got built-in, like, for laptops and stuff, and you've got outlets. And then you've got the bathroom. Wow, the bathroom is so nice. This is the master bath. So in the master bath, you have a beautiful sink, beautiful countertop, really nice mirror, and then and here you've got some storage for towels and linens, and here's your heater. I'm gonna open this up. Wow, this is really nice. So you've got your Japanese style toilet, again, with all the buttons and your remote flush. Number one, number two. Got a little cabinet here so you can put stuff. And again, I think he's redone this whole thing. Look at these frosted glass squares. I really like that. And here we have the rain shower, if it makes sense. We have a window there. You're able to shower with the handheld shower unit. You've got place for your soap and your towel holder, and of course a drain in the floor. Not sure that I like that the toilet is next to the shower in case you're showering and somebody comes in here, you know. That wouldn't happen in my house ever, but still, you might have a drunk friend over and that's that. So, beautiful, beautiful master bath. And so let's go outside because they also have a balcony off of the master bedroom. So here we have the balcony. It's beautiful, it's nice out here. Okay, really nice. And there you have auto back is over there. The ocean is just past those two buildings. And past those two buildings, we are on a small island, so you're pretty much gonna get water anywhere you go. And this is really nice. And you can see a lookout down to the area there where you can have your parties and stuff. And it's really, really a nice house. So do you like this? Do you like that? Do you like that up there? Do you like that in the master bedroom, these lights? I'm assuming when you turn the other ones off, they just get brighter. Let's take a look. There we go. Look at that. That is insane. That is so cool. Wow. So you could actually have a disco in the master bedroom. Maybe you already have that. I'm not gonna judge you. I'm just gonna respect it. So if you play music in this place here, the lights on the ceiling will vibrate and gyrate and switch. I don't know that they gyrate. I don't think anybody gyrates. I haven't gyrated since I was 30. So you can put that up and the music will actually move the lights, and the lights will actually switch colors fast and, you know, go to the beat basically. So I really like this house, and this house is actually a 2-bedroom. You could make it, like if you had kids, you could make it with 2 or 3 kids in one of the bedrooms and then use the master bedroom for yourself. The lights are pretty insane in the living room, and they also have them in the master bedroom as well. A lot of you asked me to do videos that were a little less in rent, meaning the rent wasn't as high as $400,000 or $500,000 in these giant like jacuzzi houses that we've been seeing. So this one right here goes for anywhere from $200 to maybe $280. What did it go for? Oh, $230. So it went for $230, which is roughly in the US, probably about $2,100, maybe $2,000 a month to rent this house. And it is a really nice house. It's in a central location in Owase. It's a really nice neighborhood. You've got a lot of amenities around you, so you don't really have to drive anywhere because the grocery store's next door, Family Mart's across the street, and the beaches are just minutes away. Is this Okinawa City or Owase?
This is Okinawa City. Owase is actually in Okinawa City.
Ah, okay. I don't know where I am. I have no idea where I am. All right, so it's Owase, which is inside Okinawa City, which is wrapped up in a riddle, twisted into a, I don't know, it's an old Joe Pesci thing. But yeah, so it's really cool. Really, the lights are amazing. And the stairs, and it looks like it's all been redone. If you need anything, go ahead and call Yumi at Joy Housing. Her information is gonna be in the video description as well. This is probably a really nice value for what you're getting. It's got a nice yard, it's got a balcony up top, it's got a really beautiful redone bathrooms. Both of them have been totally redone, and 2 lofts, and you've got 2 parking spaces out front, and it looks like a really nice Japanese neighborhood. So if you're looking to get the local experience, this is probably one of the places that you'd want to rent. Now this place is rented, am I right, Yumi?
Yes, they're moving in next week.
They're moving in next week, but that's okay. There might be another place that Yumi might have for you, or just keep looking around, and if you see something, give her a buzz. She's always great to my channel. She always lets me know what's going on, and she lets me tour these awesome houses, which is really cool for me and for you. So if you have any questions, do you like this house? Would you rent a house that had an automatic party room upstairs and downstairs with the lights, and they actually move to the beat of the music? Or do you think it's a little too much? Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this house, whether you think it's worth $2,000 a month or not. And I am gonna probably do some more houses like this, or maybe an apartment like this, so you can see that there is something for everybody. I know that if you're moving here from the States, and if you're military, if you get put off base, sometimes your housing allowance isn't anywhere near 300,000 or 400,000 yen a month. So this is a good opportunity for you to see what else is available out there at a lower price point. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really appreciate all over 2,300 of you that have subscribed to the channel. Keep doing that, it's free. If you like my videos, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, give it a thumbs down. But thank you for watching regardless. And remember, if you know anybody active duty or spouse in the military, give them a thumbs up, because you can't give them a hug or a handshake because of COVID. Stupid COVID! So I will see you next video, and thank you so much for watching, everybody. See you soon.